Young Haseo Jade Min, D Shandapi Da. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today I am unboxing this right here. And this is my Lola beauty box for August 2018. I will leave all the information down below about Lola beauty box. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, I believe Lola beauty box is $21 a month. You can pay for it either every month, every 6 months, every 3 months, or every year. Of course, the longer you pay, the cheaper it is. I think I pay for it yearly. I can't remember. I think I pay for it yearly though. Let's go ahead and get started. I've been getting this box for a while and I think, and I mean, I personally like it. The things that I get, I'm happy with, you know. I know some people, I've watched some unboxings, not of this box, but just in previous, you know, after I upload mine and whatnot. And some people are like, I'm not so sure. I don't know. I don't know. I'm happy with what I get, you know. I don't complain. And plus, I like trying new things. It's exciting to me. But I digress. Flawless is the theme for this box this month for Lola. Follow Lola on all of their social media, please, and thank you. On the back tells you everything that you are getting in the box with prices. So I'll be referring to this beautiful card right here with these flowers on it as I pull things out. Here we go. I don't know anything that's in here. I don't know any spoilers or anything. Oh, but I do know that Kryolan, that's professional makeup. I do know that. You see this big long pencil? By Kryolan, I'm pronouncing that right? Yeah, I know all about this. This is the color 25 that I have right there. And I think, are you a lip liner? What are you? You are... Let me look at the card and see what you are. That would help, huh? You are a face liner. And this is worth $20, right? It says a face liner is a soft textured pencil for delicate application on the eyes, face, and lips. So you can use this for eyeliner, you can use this for lip liner, you can use this on your face if you want to draw something. So this is a face liner, and it says it right there, face liner, right there. And let's see here, this is, the color code is 25. It's very long, as you can see. That is what the pencil looks like. It looks like it's like a brownish color, almost like a nude color, as you can see. But yeah, I mean, I like, this is a lot of product. This would take a long time to get through. You do have to sharpen this, but I'm so happy to get this. So I will try this out and let you know what I think. I'll use it probably as a lip liner, maybe. Next thing I got, oh, Glow by Glory. This is Glow by Glory. Do you see that right there? This is the semi-matte liquid lipstick. The color that I have is, what color are you? I don't know, but I do know that it's cruelty-free. It's got that bunny there. So it's cruelty-free. You can follow Glow by Glory on all over their social media. I have received a liquid lipstick by them. This is cute, made with love. See that? I received a liquid lipstick by them in my Lola box a few months back. And I'm going to tell you right now, the formula of this product is nice. Not drying. It's moisturizing. It's a long-lasting liquid lip. I do like it a lot. And this is worth $18, by the way. I'm not sure of the color, but this is the color I have. It looks like a dark brown color, like a reddish brown. So, yeah, I guess like a reddish brown is what it would be. It's something that's going to match my skin tone, I tell you that. Doesn't smell like anything. It's like a brown, like a berry brown. I want to say red. I'll say like a berry. Yeah. It's got some berry, but it's nice. Let me tell you, like I said, the formula on this is nice. I would definitely, you know, purchase this again, this liquid lip again. It's awesome. Next thing we have here is from Zoya. Zoya's nail polish right there. Zoya's nail polish. The color that I have is Jack. The color is Jack. And let's see here. Here's the other side of that nail polish right there in case you're interested. The Zoya nail polish is $10. And it's full coverage nude cream. So this is what it looks like. Right there, it looks like a nude cream, you know, good for French manicures. The other side is Jack. right there. So that's what the nail polish looks like. That is cool. I need to get into doing my nails again, y'all. I used to be like that. I need to get into that. Wander Beauty. Nice. We got something from Wander Beauty. This is an exquisite eye liquid shadow in the color Lilac Luster. That's what Wander Beauty looks like. The packaging, it's very nice. We received things from Wander Beauty before. And let me tell you, Wander Beauty has some pretty nice products. I believe that you can get Wander Beauty from, is it Ulta or Sephora? I think it's Ulta. I can't remember. But this is worth $26, I tell you that. And this is what the packaging of the eyeshadow looks like right there. Very, very nice. And it's like a lilac purple color. Doesn't smell like anything. That's what it looks like. So this would be perfect for, you know, like your eyelid or like, you know, blending into your eye or on your eyelid. So, or like, yeah, or all over your eye actually. So that is very pretty. It's got some shimmer in it too. So that is nice. And then, last but not least in here, from Laga. Is that what you're from? Yep, Laga and Company Desert Mirage eyeshadow palette worth $24. The packaging is gorgeous on that there. Here's what the other side looks like. Tells you the colors that are in there, which looks like gorgeous. I see the bunny down there, so it is cruelty free. Let's open this up and see what the colors look like. So this comes in a box. The box comes out like that. Here's the packaging outside of the box. Gorgeous colors. Gorgeous. Ooh, look at that. There is the back. And then as I open it up, it has a magnetic closure. It does not have a mirror. This is nice. I have a dress. Oh my gosh. Look at those colors, y'all. I have a dress that has like this dark blue, this color in it, like this green in it down there. Oh my goodness. I'm going to play with this. I really, really like the color story in this. Look at that. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. So this is a 9-pan shadow, as you can see. That's gorgeous. I like that a lot. Yeah, I like those greens and blues down there. Those greens and blues down there, gorgeous. All right, my friends, that is everything in my Lola Beauty if I can talk, my Lola Beauty box for August 2018. Let's go ahead and recap as I put this palette away. This is from Laga & Company, the Desert Mirage palette. Very, very nice. I also got the Zoya nail polish in Jack, which is that creamy nude color. From Wander Beauty, I got the liquid eyeshadow, which I can't wait to play with. And then from Glow by Glory, this matte lipstick. Y'all, this, if you like liquid lips, this is the business right here. Love it. And I think you can only get that online. Then from Kryolan, I got the face makeup right here in number 26. It doesn't have a color name. And that's everything in this month's Lola Beauty Box. And the theme is flawless. If you get Lola Beauty Box, let me know what you get. I think we all get the same thing. If you've tried any of these products, let me know what you think. Again, this month I am happy with my Lola Beauty Box. I can't wait to play with that palette. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. I am close to 1,000 subscribers. When I get there, there will be a giveaway. And guess what? I will let you know what that's going to be as soon as I reach that threshold. But y'all, I need your help. Can't do it by myself. Y'all know it takes a village, right? So go ahead and share my video, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. All right? I will talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난